Hello friends, today we are going to discuss previous question paper of pre-agriculture test 2022. Let we start our video. The first question is, which disease need direct microscopic examination of tissues and fluid for diagnosis? Options are anthrax, rabies, foot and mouth disease and black quad. The right answer is anthrax. Anthrax disease required direct microscopic examination of tissues for diagnosis. The next question is, when does a calf receive a colostrum? Options are 1 day after born, 2 day after born, 30 minutes after born and 12 hours after born. The right answer is 30 minutes after born. After 30 minutes after born, a calf receive colostrum. The next question is, black quarter, black leg is caused by. Options are protozoa, virus, bacteria, fungal. The right answer is bacteria. Black quarter is caused by bacteria. The next question is, septemia is caused by. Options are fungal, protozoa, virus, bacteria. The right answer is bacteria. Septemia is caused by bacteria. The next question is, important factor in preparation of orchard layout is. Options are paths, wind breaks, heads and all of this. The right answer is all of this. Important factor in preparation of orchard layout is paths, windbreak and heads. Heads are the plant which are planted in border of field for protection. And the next question is, yellow revolution is related to. Options are fertilizer production, pulse production, oil production, food grain production. The right answer is oil production. Yellow revolution is related to oil production. The next question is, the concept of center of origin was given by. Options are Norman Borlaug, Robert Bakewell, Wavelo, J.C. Clark. The right answer is Wavelo. The concept of center of origin was given by Wavelo. Wavelo give at center of origins. The next question is, who among the following presented the theory of essential mineral nutrient in plants? Options are Aristotle, Arnon and Scout, Liebig, Carl Linnaeus. The right answer is Arnon and Scout. Arnon and Scout present the theory of essential mineral nutrient in plant. Aristotle is known as father of biology and zoology, and Liebig give the law of minimum. The next question is, based on floral morphology, self-incompatibility system is of how many types? Options are 5, 6, 3, 2. The right answer is 2. Based on floral morphology, self-incompatibility system is of how many types? So the right answer is 2 types. The next question is, plant absorb nitrogen from the soil which is in the form. Options are free nitrogen gas, nitric acid, nitrogen oxide and nitrates. The right answer is nitrate. Maximum plants absorb nitrogen in the form of nitrate, but rice, potato and germinating maize receive nitrogen in the form of ammonia. The next question is, foot and mouth disease in cattle is caused by. Options are fungus, bacteria, virus, both fungus and virus. The right answer is virus. Foot and mouth disease in cattle is caused by virus. The next question is, Indian Institute of Horticultural Research is located. Options are Gurugram, New Delhi, Lucknow, Bengaluru. The right answer is Bengaluru. Indian Institute of Horticultural Research is located at Bengaluru. The next question is, the organized dairy sector, both cooperative and private, is presently handling how much percentage of total milk production in the country? Options are 20 to 22%, 15 to 17%, 19 to 25%, 10 to 12%. The right answer is 20 to 22%. The next question is, commercial method for propagation of canna is. Options are budding, rhizome, layering, stem cutting. The right answer is rhizome. Commercial method of propagation of canna is rhizome. The next question is, at which temperature milk start fouling? Options are 60 degrees centigrade, 30 degrees centigrade, 50 degrees centigrade and 80 degrees centigrade. The right answer is 60 degrees centigrade. At 60 degree temperature milk start fouling. The next question is, the dam should be dried how many weeks before expecting calving? Options are 3 to 5 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks, 4 to 6 weeks, 2 to 4 weeks. The right answer is 6 to 8 weeks. Around 2 months before calving, dam should be dried. The next question is cream separation is a phenomena by which the milk is separated into cream and skim milk by which force? Options are London dispersion force, centrifugal force, intramolecular force, primary force. The right answer is centrifugal force. In cream separator, the phenomena work for separate cream and skim milk is centrifugal force. The next question is which one of the following is a green manure crops? Options are cotton, dencha, sugarcane and sunflower. The right answer is dencha. Dencha is known as green manure crops. All pulses crops are included in green manure crop. The next question is main objective of heads plantation is. Options are protection, decoration, demarcation, both 1 and 3. The right answer is both first and third, protection and demarcation. The next question is which fruit planting system is most useful in hilly areas? Options are contour system, hexagonal system, rectangular system, triangular system. The right answer is contour system. Contour system of planting system is most useful in hilly area, and rectangular or square system of planting is normally used in orchard making, plantation, and triangular system is used for high density planting. The next question is this part of veterinary medicine that deal with the quality of environment where animals are due to live, adopt and maintain their environment in an adequate state so that the animal health is safeguarded? Options are animal hygiene, animal kingdom, botany, epizootiology. The right answer is animal hygiene. The next question is which one of the following state has largest area under canal irrigation? Options are Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar. The right answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the state which have highest area under canal irrigation. The next question is which is not a unit of water measurement? Options are parcel flum, cubic, acre inch and cusack. The right answer is parcel flum. Parcel flum is an instrument to measure flow of water. It is not a unit of water measurement. The next question is which of the following method is used for lifting water from deep open well? Options are swinging basket, dune, Archimedes screw, windlass. The right answer is windlass. Windlass is used for lifting water from deep open well. Next question is coccidiosis is a. Options are viral disease, bacterial disease, fungal disease and protozoal disease. The right answer is protozoal disease. Coccidiosis is a protozoal disease. What are the horn characteristics of Murrah breed? Options are flat and sickle shaped and form hook at the tip, small and coiled tightly, curl slightly outward, flat, short, tightly, spiral curving inward. The right answer is flat, short, tightly, spirally curving inward. It is a characteristic of Murrah breed. The next question is which process is the important in dairy farm management? Options are increase in number of buffaloes, increase in the number of cows, increase in size of cattle, increase in yield and quality of milk. The right answer is increase in yield and quality of milk. The important process in dairy farm management is increase in yield and quality of milk. The next question is where is the headquarters of National Bureau of Plant Genetic Research, NBPGR? The options are Kolkata, New Delhi, Jaipur, Haryana. The right answer is New Delhi. National Bureau of Plant Genetic Research, NBPGR, is situated at New Delhi. The next question is how many number of chromosome pairs are found in chicken? Options are 21, 27, 39 and 19. The right answer is 39. The next question is Karan Swiss is a crossbreed cattle which was developed by mating between. Options are Sahiwal and Brown Swiss, Sahiwal and HF, Thar Parker and HF, and local cows and brown Swiss. The right answer is Sahiwal and Brown Swiss. Current Swiss is a crossbreed which are developed by mating between Sahiwal and Brown Swiss. The next question is, which state is benefited by Indira Gandhi Canal Project? Options are Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Punjab. The right answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is benefited by Indira Gandhi Canal Project, and Indira Gandhi Canal is the biggest canal in our country. The next question is, optimum time for pruning in rose is, options are August, February, October, May. The right answer is October. October is a right time for pruning in rose. The next question is, hemorrhagic septicemia is caused by bacteria. Options are Pasteurella multicidia, Clostridium chovei, Bacillus anthracis, Pasteurella hemolytica. The right answer is Pasteurella multicida, caused HS. The next question is, national fruit of India is, options are apple, pomegranate, banana, mango. The right answer is mango. Mango is the national fruit of India. The next question is, caretaker should feed colostrum, the first milk of the cow, to just born a calf for the first how many days? Options are 3 days, 6 days, 5 days, and 10 days. The right answer is 3 days. Caretaker should feed colostrum to the new just born calf for the first how many days? 3 days. The next question is, diarrhea caused by, options are virus, protozoa, fungus, bacteria. The right answer is bacteria. Diarrhea caused by bacteria. The next question is, Koskhetia virus caused the disease in cattle, that is, options are Ranikhet, black leg, foot and mouth disease, and anthrax. The right answer is foot and mouth disease. Koskhetia virus caused the foot and mouth disease in cattle. The next question is, training is most important process. Options are apple, enola, mango, papaya. The right answer is apple. Training is most important process in apple. The next question is, what is the best temperature to turn a cream into butter is? Options are 22 to 23 degrees centigrade, 18 to 20 degrees centigrade, 10 to 12 degrees centigrade, 13 to 15 degrees centigrade. The right answer is 13 to 15 degrees centigrade. 13 to 15 degrees centigrade is best temperature to turn a cream into butter. The next question is, example of ornamental climber is, options are Crinum species, Murea exotica, Antigona leptopus, Nerium odorum. The right answer is Antigona leptopus. Next question is, the daily cleaning routine of basket, milking machine, and cluster consists of how many stages? Options are 4, 2, 3, 6. The right answer is 3. The next question is, how many elements are essential for plant growth? Options are 15, 17, 22, and 18. The right answer is 17. There are 17 elements essential for plant growth. The next question is, the calf are kept in the calf pen for minimum of how many days after their birth? Options are 15 days, 25 days, 10 days, 5 days. Options are 10 days. The calf are kept in the calf pen for minimum of how many days after their birth? The right answer is 10 days. The next question is, the crop that need a lot of water are, options are rice and maize, wheat and cotton, rice and wheat and chickpea. The right answer is rice and wheat. Rice and wheat need a lot of water. The next question is, which of these is positive effect owing to the drainage? Options are damage the crop, removal of salts, leaching of plant nutrient, environmental damage. The right answer is removal of salt. The next question is, soybean crop is mainly grown in which state? Options are MP, Rajasthan, Tamil Nadu, Uttar Pradesh. The right answer is MP. Soybean crop is mainly grown in MP. The next question is, the word horticulture is derived from which language? Options are Persian, Greek, English, Latin. The right answer is Latin. Horticulture word is derived from Latin language. The next question is, which factor affecting water requirement of crops? Options are solar radiation, wind velocity, atmospheric humidity, All of this. The right answer is all of this. Water requirement of crop is affected by solar radiation, wind velocity and atmospheric humidity. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe.